typewriter waited on the dusty desk, its keys gleaming in the moonlight. Alone in the study, Mark pressed a key, curious. The machine clattered, typing. A scream echoes in the hallway. Seconds later, a shriek tore through the silence outside his door. Heart racing, he typed. Blood pools beneath the door. Red seeped across the threshold, thick and real. Trembling, Mark tried to type. Everything returns to normal, but the keys jammed. Instead, the carriage slid by itself, spelling, "He is next." Mark felt icy fingers wrap around his neck, squeezing until everything went black.